So Shikada is saluting the darling children of Mother Existence who are here. So this is the speciality of this time. So the time is asking for this progress because this is a very special time that the grand force is creating such a new world. But human beings are the tools to create this new world. So forgetting this truth, we have been living many lives. This is not the first life we are on earth. Many times we lived here. We died and reborn, again lived, died. This has repeated for millions of times. So again we are here on earth. We are again living. And again we are seeking. We are searching for something. We don't know what is it, but we are searching for something. So to succeed in human life, we require the highest aim in life and a determination to achieve it. Then everything will follow. This course of time is passing through various stages, and from one stage it moves into the other stage. And this stage of change we call the period of transition. And today we are passing through such a great period of transition. What is next in this period? After this transition period, what is next? It is divine life. So this is moving to divine life. So it is our responsibility now to understand that the whole creation and human life is passing through a period of transition. And the great time is asking human life to move into the next stage. So what is our responsibility? Now our responsibility is to expand. Human life should not be confined into the little ego of I-ness, but we have to expand our mind, our awareness, our consciousness. So expanding our mind is the first requirement of this period of transition. So it is told that changes are taking place. And what is the proof of that? There is a great proof. Because all of us are in a way unsatisfied. In a way we have everything. We have food, we have shelter and many other things. But when we think every person is unsatisfied, why we are unsatisfied? And this is the reason, because the great time or our inner self is asking for a different change. So that change is not taking place in us. That is why we are unsatisfied. So please look inside. Today we are living in the modern society, modern world. So we have everything today. Even then, human beings are not satisfied. And why? Because many things are happening in the cosmic planes, in the nature. So changes are taking place. And human beings are not knowingly becoming a part of these changes. And this is the reason. When the whole nature is changing, human beings also will change because we are also a part of this nature. But our change is more happen in the conscious plane. So for that we should know it and we should intend this progress. But if we are always thinking of the past things, old things, this will not happen in the human plane. So we are unsatisfied. Hence, we should know that this is a great change of transformation. And human beings are the greatest part of these changes. And we should also get ready for these changes, aiming the highest thing in the world and also in our life. So if we intend the highest thing in our life and also in the world, it will take place. There is no doubt about that.